Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to cut and paste image in Photopea. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Photopea software and open an image to this project. You want to cut and paste the image, select the image and go to the edit menu. We can see here many options. You can cut any image, select this. Select the layer, press and hold the control and click inside the layer and select the image. Then click edit option and click this cut option. We can click this OK option. Then press Ctrl D, then again press Ctrl V. We can see we cut and paste image very easily. Now we can see we cut and paste image in Photopea very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.